Welcome to the Be Forward series on the best JDM custom cars. Be inspired by the ultimate Toyota GR86 builds at Tokyo Auto Salon 2026. GR86 KUHL off-road lift-up style. Let's start with the GR86, brimming with an adventurous vibe. An eye-catching tribute to the iconic Porsche 911, the winner of the 1984 Paris-Dakar Rally. It's not just the exterior that's been given a complete makeover by KUHL. The interior, including the roll cage, has been transformed too. These stunning modifications do more than just impress visually. They also significantly improve the GR86 performance. At the front, a full set of aero enhancements are evident. These include a completely redesigned bumper, bull bar and skid plate, complemented by a new bonnet. On the sides, 25mm wider wheel arches perfectly accommodate off-road wheels fitted with rugged tires. To slightly raise the stance, KUHL's original suspension and hydraulic lifting system have been used, while the complete custom brake system was tailored specifically for this model, also by KUHL. Aesthetically pleasing custom front fenders complete the look. But the most impressive transformation is perhaps at the rear. A set of aerodynamic parts that include a rear window blind type spoiler results in a remarkable rear appearance that evokes the rally legends of the 80s. Without a doubt, the GR86 KUHL Racing OFFROAB widebody is a car built for all conditions, whether you're having fun drifting on snowy roads to mountain resorts or undertaking jungle adventures. It looks great on the streets, exuding style and distinction through its fusion of sportiness and adventure, offering something truly unique yet sorely needed in automotive design. GR86 KUHL Racing SPEC-D widebody with outroad. Another stunning GR86 that caught our eye was also modified by KUHL, but this time they took a completely different approach. It exudes a pure, magnificent Japanese vibe. A wide-body sports beast straight off the track, ready to compete with Nissan's Godzilla in every respect. All components designed and manufactured by KUHL are incredibly refined, both visually and in terms of their mechanics. This formidable GR86 features a full aero package that widens the body by as much as 60mm on both sides. It comes with a fully adjustable Air Force Super Performance Kit air suspension system and a custom braking system. Then there are the impressive all-new Chrome KR5 19-inch wheels. Looking at the rear end, the GT wing is quite something. In person, this modified GR86 truly looks spectacular. In fact, the entire interior also has a full overhaul. Just some of the elements evident at first glance are the seats, designed for KUHL by Bride, a custom version of the Bride Zeta 4 model, plus the exclusive steering wheel by HC Studio. As usual, a complete approach and superb finish is delivered by KUHL. GR86 LOWDOWN style KUHL outroad. We simply couldn't overlook this version of the outroad body kit from KUHL. This red beast has many features in common with the off-road oriented model we presented early on, as it is based on the same outroad aero kit elements. However, this time emphasis is placed on the tarmac-oriented use. We have to admit that it fits the urban environment perfectly. Of all the KUHL kits we featured before, this one has the fewest suspension modifications, just custom shock absorbers, once again created in-house. The street racing mod is amplified by 19-inch VR's wheels. According to its creator, this particular version was made to reconnect with the brand's roots, resulting in a vehicle that can literally drive and drift anywhere. AUTOPARTS by Result Japan. We've been waiting a long time for something like this. A revival of the AE86 in its most legendary form. Built on the first generation of the Toyota 86/Subaru BRZ, which debuted in 2012. Without a doubt, Result Japan has given it a highly satisfying makeover. Most notably, the front end is something we've been longing for years. The pop-up light design is simply magnificent and instantly evokes nostalgia. It's the perfect symbol of the glorious 80s, when sports cars captivated with more than just their looks. People were drawn in by the smell of petrol, the untamed nature of the driving experience, and the pure adrenaline rush of taming an unruly beast. The AUTOPARTS embodies this spirit in a modern, highly polished way. It's visually exciting and nostalgic, yet free from the frustrations and high skill requirements associated with classic cars. As you would expect from Toyota, the 86 is technically proven, effortless to live with, and a reliable entry sports car. It's the sort of car today's young drivers are looking for, and it's bound to be a genuine pleasure for novice drivers. The Neo 86 is a wonderful fit for today's consumer, offering a nostalgic visual character while delivering the practicality of a proper daily driver. Ultimately though, what really matters is that Sung Kang approves. The movie Drift King doesn't waste his time on pointless builds. And yes, this Aero kit is ready to be dispatched globally. A great nostalgic makeover. Thank you Result Japan for such a treat. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. Don't miss the other episodes in our limited series on custom cars, featuring more thrilling modifications straight from Japan. Click the link below to watch now. Check out BeForward.JP. We stock a wide range of Toyota GR86 at great prices. Looking for JDM aftermarket parts? Have a look at BeForward Auto Parts, the dedicated service with global delivery to your door.